Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to find Duolingo promo code. So simply what you need to do, just simply type here Reddit on your browser. You can also search through Reddit app. So simply click on Reddit. So when you open this website, what you need to do, just wait for a few seconds. This website is being uploaded. So just click on the right up corner three dots button. So simply when you click on these three dots button, type in the search bar Duolingo promo code. So after when you type this, click on search button. So wait for a few seconds. So here you can see many people are providing Duolingo promo code. So simply you have to select one. So after selecting this, you can check under the comment section if this promo code is working or not. So after when you have successfully copied code from this website, simply visit duolingo.com or redeem, and here you can paste the promo code and redeem it. So in this way you can easily find promo code for Duolingo.